You sit so close yet far away, lost inside your thoughts. I wonder if you feel me now, or if you already forgot. I read the space between your words, like it's telling me the truth. You're slowly drifting from my arms, and I don't know what to do. Fade into me just one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. Yeah. I remember how you used to stay when everything felt wrong. Now your silence fills the room where love once belonged. If this is where our story ends, let it end with grace. I'd rather hold you honestly than forget your face. Listen to me one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. Bear into me just one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. I'll carry you in softer ways when memory is all I see. Even when the night moves on, you'll fade into me. You never rushed the way we were. You let the moment breathe. Every touch was soft and sure, like it meant something to me. I felt you long before you spoke, and how you looked my way, like you were scared to say the truth, but didn't want to wait. This is a slow burn love, taking time to grow. It's in the way you hold me close and never let me go. We learned each other patiently through every broken part. You never tried to fix my pain, you just held my heart. If this feeling fades someday, I'll still remember how you love me in the quiet ways that matter most right now. This is a slow burn love, taking time to grow, taking time to grow. It's in the way you hold me close, never let me go, never let me go. Some love was made to last this way, slow and deeply, slow and deeply. I was learning how to say your name like it meant something permanent. You were standing close but far away, already half convinced to leave. I felt it every time you smiled, like you were holding back something real you couldn't give, something I still lack. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. For the pain, I kept believing we had time while you were planning your escape. If loving me felt dangerous, I wish you would have said. I would have saved my deepest parts instead of losing them. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in wrong. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. Now I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. How to breathe alone with echoes of your touch. I wasn't made to be halfway loved, but I was almost yours. Your eyes don't me mine anymore, like they used to do. I feel the distance in your touch, even when I'm close to you. I notice every little change in how you say my name, like loving me is getting hard and nothing feels the same. It hurts the most when you look away, like I'm not standing here. I'd rather hear a painful truth than feel you disappear. I keep hoping you'll turn around and see me like before, but every silence tells me you're already out the door. If I'm asking for too much, just say it honestly. Don't leave me guessing in the dark about what you need. It hurts the most when you look away, like I'm not standing here. I'd rather hear a painful truth than feel you disappear. I'll stop waiting for your eyes to find me in this room. Some goodbyes don't say a word, they just assume. your street, like my heart forgot the way. Every turn feels bittersweet, every thought makes me stay. I tell myself I'm almost free, but something pulls me back, like loving you was always meant to leave a crack. I'm halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. I don't know where my heart belongs or who I'm meant to be. Your voice still echoes in my mind like a song without an end. I keep replaying all the nights I thought you'd stay my friend. If home is where my heart feels safe, then tell me where to go, because loving you was everything I've ever known. I'm halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. I don't know where my heart belongs, who I'm meant to be. Halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. Somewhere between. Don't know where my heart belongs, who I'm meant to be. I'll keep walking through the dark until I find a place, even if it takes a lifetime to heal this space. Your name still echoes in my chest, like it never left. Every breath reminds me of the love we almost kept. I try to quiet all the noise, but memories stay loud. They play like broken melodies that pull me down. These echoes in my chest won't let me forget every word you never said. Still feels intense, still feels intense. I see your face in crowded rooms, even when you're gone. My heart keeps holding on to you like something went wrong. If healing takes a little time, I guess I'll let it hurt. Some scars remind us we were real before we learned. Oh, these echoes in my chest won't let me forget every word you never said. Still feels intense, still feels intense, still feels intense. Every word, every word, every word still feels intense, still feels intense. I'll carry love a little softer now with less regret. Still breathing through the echoes in my chest. cracks along the window pane, wondering where we started going wrong. Every word I meant to say gets lost inside my chest. I keep holding back the truth, afraid it won't let me rest. There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. Your silence speaks in broken tones, like half a song I used to know. I replay nights on borrowed time, pretending I don't feel alone. If I fall apart tonight, would you hear me through the walls? I'm singing softly just in case you still feel me when I fall. There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. I'll leave the light on where you stood, in case you missed the truth. Still breathing in what's left of us in the quiet between us. I've been standing on this edge for longer than I should. Try and release your name like I promised I would. Every step away from you feels like losing it. I say I'm fine, but deep inside I'm barely there. I'm almost letting go of you, but not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to bleed. Your memory holds me hostage in moments soft and slow. I tell myself it's over now, but my heart says no slow. If loving you was all I knew, then let me grieve it right. I'll learn how to forgive myself for staying too long tonight. I'm almost letting go of you, but not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to bleed. I'm almost letting go of you, but not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to blinking past 2 a.m. Your name still burns my screen. I type and delete the same old words, wondering what we mean. I only tell the truth at night when my defenses fall. My heart gets louder than my pride when I hear your call. These late night confessions only come when I'm weak. I say I'm fine all day long, then cry when you speak. Your memory dances in my head like a song stuck on repeat. I swear I'm stronger in the light, but darkness knows my need. Yeah. If I called you one more time, would you finally stay? Or would you leave me in this space with nothing left to say? Oh, these late night confessions only come when I'm weak. I say I'm fine all day long, then cry when you speak. The sun will rise and I'll pretend I don't still miss you so. But tonight I'm honest with myself and whisper soft and low. You packed your words in careful lines, like you didn't want to hurt me. Your eyes avoided all of mine, as if love was something dirty. I felt it coming weeks before, and how you touched my hand like you were already halfway gone, trying to help me understand. This is a soft goodbye, no screaming, no regrets, just two hearts losing time and all the things we never said. I folded memories into boxes, left them stacked inside my chest. Every laugh, every promise, now a ghost I can't forget. If loving you was all I knew, I guess I did my best. Even endings need some grace when nothing else is left. This is a soft goodbye, no screaming, no regrets, just two hearts losing time and all the things we never said. I'll close the door without a sound and let the silence cry. Some love was never meant to stay. pictured far away, lost inside your thoughts. I wonder if you feel me now, or if you already forgot. I read the space between your words, like it's telling me the truth. You're slowly drifting from my arms, and I don't know what to do. Fade into me just one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. Yeah. I remember how you used to stay when everything felt wrong. Now your silence fills the room where love once belonged. If this is where our story ends, let it end with grace. I'd rather hold you honestly than forget your face. Listen to me one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. Bear into me just one more time before we disappear. Let me feel your heartbeat close before the end is here. I'll carry you in softer ways when memory is all I see. Even when the night moves on, you'll fade into me. You never rushed the way we were. You let the moment breathe. Every touch was soft and sure, like it meant something to me. I felt you long before you spoke, and how you looked my way, like you were scared to say the truth, but didn't want to wait. This is a slow burn love, taking time to grow. It's in the way you hold me close and never let me go. We learned each other patiently through every broken part. You never tried to fix my pain, you just held my heart. If this feeling fades someday, I'll still remember how you love me in the quiet ways that matter most right now. This is a slow burn love, taking time to grow, taking time to grow. It's in the way you hold me close, never let me go, never let me go. I don't need fireworks tonight, just you and honesty. Some love was made to last this way, slow and deeply, slow and deeply. I was learning learning how to say your name like it meant something permanent. You were standing close but far away, already half convinced to leave. I felt it every time you smiled, like you were holding back something real you couldn't give, something I still lack. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. For the pain, I kept believing we had time while you were planning your escape. If loving me felt dangerous, I wish you would have said. I would have saved my deepest parts instead of losing them. I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in wrong. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. Now I was almost yours in every way, but never fully in your arms. I gave you pieces of my heart, you held them gently, then let go. How to breathe alone with echoes of your touch. I wasn't made to be halfway loved, but I was almost yours. Your eyes don't me mine anymore like they used to do. I feel the distance in your touch even when I'm close to you. I notice every little change in how you say my name, like loving me is getting hard and nothing feels the same. It hurts the most when you look away, like I'm not standing here. I'd rather hear a painful truth than feel you disappear. I keep hoping you'll turn around and see me like before, but every silence tells me you're already out the door. If I'm asking for too much, just say it honestly. Don't leave me guessing in the dark about what you need. It hurts the most when you look away, like I'm not standing here. I'd rather hear a painful truth than feel you disappear. I'll stop waiting for your eyes to find me in this room. Some goodbyes don't say a word, they just assume. Every turn feels bittersweet. Every thought makes me stay. I tell myself I'm almost free, but something pulls me back. Like loving you was always meant to leave a crack. I'm halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. I don't know where my heart belongs or who I'm meant to be. Your voice still echoes in my mind like a song without an end. I keep replaying all the nights I thought you'd stay my friend. If home is where my heart feels safe, then tell me where to go, because loving you was everything I've ever known. I'm halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. I don't know where my heart belongs, who I'm meant to be. Halfway home but lost again, somewhere between you and me. Somewhere between. Don't know where my heart belongs, who I'm meant to be. I'll keep walking through the dark until I find a place, even if it takes a lifetime to heal this space. Your name still echoes in my chest like it never left. Every breath reminds me of the love we almost kept. I try to quiet all the noise, but memories stay loud. They play like broken melodies that pull me down. These echoes in my chest won't let me forget every word you never said. Still feels intense, still feels intense. I see your face in crowded rooms, even when you're gone. My heart keeps holding on to you like something went wrong. If healing takes a little time, I guess I'll let it hurt. Some scars remind us we were real before we learned. Oh, these echoes in my chest won't let me forget every word you never said. Still feels intense, still feels intense, still feels intense. Every word, every word, every word still feels intense, still feels intense. I'll carry love a little softer now with less regret. Still breathing through the echoes in my chest. The room feels heavy when you say my name. Your shadow lingers even when you're gone. I trace the cracks along the window pane, wondering where we started going wrong. Every word I meant to say gets lost inside my chest. I keep holding back the truth, afraid it won't let me rest. There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. Your silence speaks in broken tones, like half a song I used to know. I replay nights on borrowed time, pretending I don't feel alone. If I fall apart tonight, would you hear me through the walls, singing softly just in case you still feel me when I fall? There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. There's a quiet between us now, louder than the words we choose. I feel you drifting further out every time I try to reach for you. I'll leave the light on where you stood, in case you missed the truth. Still breathing in what's left of us in the quiet between us. I've been standing on this edge for longer than I should. Try and release your name like I promised I would. Every step away from you feels like losing it. I say I'm fine, but deep inside I'm barely there. I'm almost letting go of you, but not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to bleed. Your memory holds me hostage in moments soft and slow. I tell myself it's over now, but my heart says no, slow. If loving you was all I knew, then let me grieve it right. I'll learn how to forgive myself for staying too long tonight. I'm almost letting go of you, not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to bleed. I'm almost letting go of you, not enough to be free. Some love doesn't fade away, it just learns to bleed. Maybe someday I'll look back without the say, but tonight I'm almost letting go, for my own sake. thinking past 2 a.m. Your name still burns my screen. I type and delete the same old words, wondering what we mean. I only tell the truth at night when my defenses fall. My heart gets louder than my pride when I hear your call. These late night confessions only come when I'm weak. I say I'm fine all day long, then cry when you speak. Your memory dances in my head like a song stuck on repeat. I swear I'm stronger in the light, but darkness knows my need. Yeah. If I called you one more time, would you finally stay? Or would you leave me in this space with nothing left to say? Oh, these late night confessions only come when I'm weak. I say I'm fine all day long, then cry when you speak. The sun will rise and I'll pretend I don't still miss you so. But tonight I'm honest with myself and whisper soft and low. You packed your words in careful lines, like you didn't want to hurt me. Your eyes avoided all of mine, as if love was something dirty. I felt it coming weeks before, and how you touched my hand like you were already halfway gone, trying to help me understand. This is a soft goodbye, no screaming, no regrets, just two hearts losing time and all the things we never said. I folded memories into boxes, left them stacked inside my chest. Every laugh, every promise, now a ghost I can't forget. If loving you was all I knew, I guess I did my best. Even endings need some grace when nothing else is left. This is a soft goodbye, no screaming, no regrets, just two hearts losing time and all the things we never said. I'll close the door without a sound and let the silence cry. Some love was never meant to stay.